Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for a EA account. So if you want to sign up for a EA account and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of signing up to a EA account. If you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to sign up to a EA account, first of all go ahead and tap on Safari and then go ahead and tap on search and then search EA. Here you'll be available with the option itself, so go ahead and tap on the option of electronic arts homepage, and then you'll be appeared with the screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on the profile, and then you'll be available with two options since we are going to create an account. So go ahead and tap on second option that says create account. Now go ahead and tap on the arrow which is just beside a country and then select your country. After you're done selecting your country, go ahead and tap on your date of birth. Make sure it's the correct one. And then after you're done providing them with these credentials, go ahead and tap on next. Now you'll be entered in this page, so go ahead and tap on email address and then provide them with your email address. Make sure it's the correct one. Now go ahead and provide them with your EA ID. Now go ahead and provide or create a strong password here. And then after you're done providing all these credentials, go ahead and tap on next. So read the options and go ahead and check in the box as per you like. You have to accept the terms and conditions or the cookies of the given application, and then you have to allow players to find, and then go ahead and tap on create account. Now go ahead and enter your verification code that has been sent to your email which you just provided them with. So go ahead and check in your email and then provide them with your code. Now go ahead and tap on next, and then go ahead and tap on finish, and then you are done. It says boom, you are done, your EA account is verified and ready to go. So here like this, you have already been logged into your EA account as well. So yeah, this is how we can easily sign up to a EA account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.